Ever wondered how a child-named phenomenon could heat up our world? Curious? Let's dive into the mystery of El Niño. This Spanish term translates to the child, sometimes referring to baby Christ, as its currents often start flowing around Christmas. But don't be fooled by the innocent name. El Niño is a powerful, natural phenomenon that significantly influences our planet's climate. Earth's temperature is directly linked to ocean temperatures, and El Niño plays a pivotal role in this relationship. The El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, as scientists call it, has three phases: the neutral state, El Niño, and La Niña. In a neutral state, the Pacific Ocean keeps itself cool by directing moist surface waters towards the Western Pacific. The La Niña phase represents a cold spell, while El Niño triggers the warm phase, causing ocean temperatures to rise. So, El Niño is not just a child's play, it's a global climatic game changer. Now that we know what El Niño is, let's see how this temperamental child affects our planet. This climatic event, characterized by unusually warm ocean temperatures in the equatorial Pacific, has the power to disrupt weather patterns on a global scale. When El Niño comes to play, it can cause droughts in some regions, while triggering floods in others. A simple shift in ocean temperatures can transform lush landscapes into arid fields and dry regions into waterlogged areas. This has significant repercussions on agriculture, with altered growing seasons and crop yields taking a hit. The ripple effects of El Niño extend beyond the fields and into the wild. The shifts in weather patterns and water availability affect biodiversity, changing the dynamics of ecosystems on land and in the water. Marine ecosystems, in particular, are susceptible to the changing water temperatures, with warmer waters leading to coral bleaching and changes in fish populations. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, has predicted that the Northern Hemisphere may be in for a strong El Niño effect after February 2024. This could potentially be one of the most intense El Niño events in history, causing significant shifts in weather patterns and creating far-reaching impacts. El Niño, a common natural phenomenon, can indeed stir up an uncommon climate chaos. Its effects underscore the intricate interconnectivity of our planet's systems, reminding us of the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on Earth. Let's zero in on the subcontinent. What does El Niño mean for India? Historically, El Niño events have often resulted in dry monsoons, disrupting the usual precipitation patterns. This can lead to droughts, heat waves, and a ripple effect on agriculture and biodiversity. In 2023, El Niño has already left its mark with less rainfall during the monsoon season, leading to intense heat and drought. The year 2024, however, may present an even more heated scenario. Starting from February, we could witness a spike in heat, potentially leading to one of the hottest summers India has ever seen. While it's difficult to predict the exact impact on the Indian monsoon as it only sets in June, the heat waves from February to June could be severe. So, El Niño could turn the typically pleasant Indian summer into a scorching ordeal. From local to global, El Niño's influence is far-reaching. But how does it alter the world's weather patterns? El Niño is a transformative force, causing shifts in weather patterns on a global scale. Its most notable effect is the warming of the tropical Pacific Ocean. This body of water stretches across half the world, and when it warms, it doesn't do so quietly. The warm water radiates heat into the air, raising temperatures not just locally, but globally. This is why we see hotter weather across the globe during an El Niño event. But the effects of El Niño go beyond just temperature. The warm Pacific Ocean also impacts air pressure. When the water heats up, air pressure increases in the Western Pacific. Conversely, it drops in the Eastern Pacific. This imbalance in pressure leads to changes in rainfall. The tropical Pacific Ocean sees more rainfall, while regions like Indonesia, India, and northern Australia experience less. A report from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, underscores these changes. It shows that 2023 was significantly hotter than previous years, a clear sign of El Niño's influence. In conclusion, El Niño, the child, is indeed a force to reckon with, influencing weather patterns and climate across the globe. It's a reminder that our world is interconnected, with happenings in one area rippling out to affect the whole. With a better understanding of El Niño, we can prepare and adapt. Remember, knowledge is the first step to action. Stay informed, stay safe. Until next time.